Hey cryptocurrency market channel, it's Denny, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Jaxx wallet for your phone and for the desktop. So it's really easy to set this one up too, so let's jump right into it. So if you just type in Jaxx, Jaxx, and search that, this will pop up, which is the first result, which is actually the link to click. So you would want to click this. Jaxx blockchain interface. It's a cryptocurrency wallet available for download. So you click this, and here's what the website is. Jaxx with two x's.io, jaxx.io. And as you see here, it says the best wallet for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dozens of other cryptocurrencies. And it was created in 2014 by Anthony. It runs on iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and other platforms. And you just click download. So let's do that. As you can see, again, you just go to Google Play if you're going to download it on your phone, or go to the Apple Store for iPhone. There's a Chrome extension and also a desktop extension. Keep in mind, if you do it on your phone and your computer, you're going to be doing two different wallets. If I download it on my desktop, it's just going to be for my desktop. If I download it for my phone, it's just going to be on my phone. So I'll do desktop version right here, and it says download. So I will click this button to download. As soon as it downloads, it shows up as an option right here. If you're running Windows, just install it. And this is a Jaxx interface, and it's as simple as that. So this is a Jaxx interface right here. As you can see, I'm under Bitcoin, and my current Bitcoin address is right here. So there's a button to just copy and paste that, and I even have a QR code. And the send button is right here. So I could send someone's address into this top line, and then I can send the amount of Bitcoin I want to send. I would type in US dollar or Bitcoin. For me, sometimes it's easier just to do US dollar, so I'll do like, $500, and it'll convert it for me, and then I'll click send. Or you could click max, and it'll just send the available Bitcoin that you have. The next one that it carries is Ethereum. So if you see here, this is my Ethereum address. This is what I would share with others. I could copy it, and I could also send Ethereum through this too. So I would get my friend's address, I would copy and paste that into here. I could put in $1,000 US, and it'll convert it for me, and I click send. And the same goes for Litecoin. This is my Litecoin address right here. I have a Dash wallet, so it's also a Dash wallet. This is my Dash address right here. I have a Zcash wallet, which is right here. I have a Doge wallet, which is right here. And the way to add more is you click on the top right, and it says wallets right here. And what you do is you highlight the ones that you want. So as you can see, it has all these right here. It has Token Card, Civic, Stocks, BCAP, EOS. I definitely recommend EOS. First Blood, Status, Poet, Quantum. A lot of people are talking about Quantum right now. Edgeless. So these are all the ones that you could download. How much is this? This is like over 30 different cryptocurrencies, 30 different blockchain assets that you could do. Also, if you go to tools right here, next to wallets, you'll see tools. And here's the backup wallet, display private keys, pair devices and transfer paper wallet. So this backup option right here, which is says backup wallet and view backup phrase, this is where you would back up your wallet. And you would just follow the instructions on how to do that. And that is really simple to do too. And that's it for the Jaxx wallet. It's not too complicated at all. It's actually really easy to do. And I'll show you how it looks like on the phone now. On the phone, it's the same deal. You would type in Jaxx and you just click the first option. And under Coinbase, it offers Jaxx right here. So you click open. When the Jaxx wallet pops up, it will look like this. And if you notice, it looks very similar to the interface on the desktop. And same deal, if this would be my Bitcoin, I would click Ethereum if I wanted to change it to Ethereum or change it to Ethereum Classic. And if I want to copy the address, it's right here, copy address. And that address I would send to, the person I want to send me crypto. And if I wanted to send, I would click send. I would type in their address right here. So just do a copy and paste kind of thing. And I would enter the amount right here. It's pretty much exactly the same as this right here. It's the same thing. Exact same thing. Choosing and picking wallets is the same as the desktop too. If I want to add more wallets, it's as simple as check marking it. All I would have to do is just check mark all these. I would just check mark it here, here, here. I would just check mark all of them. And there's a whole list, as you can see. There's many different cryptocurrencies. These are many different blockchain assets. So edgeless, I would just click here, and then I would just exit. And then it automatically does it for you. And if you scroll all the way on the top tab, you'll see that it was added to it. If you just scroll, I just added edgeless. So there you go, edgeless is right there. Now I have an address and I could send and receive. And then there's also the menu section, same deal, where they have tools and there's a backup section right there. I could back up my wallet and I could display the private keys right there too. So that's how you back it up. And it's going to give you a 12 word phrase. So again, if you want to set up a Jaxx wallet, you'll be downloading two of them, one for your phone and one for the computer. And you could do that on any device too. So you could ultimately have multiple wallets. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's how a Jaxx wallet works on your desktop and on your mobile phone. It's really that simple. And as you can see, it's like Exodus, where you could store multiple blockchain assets. If you like these kinds of videos on tutorials on how to set up wallets for each coin, please like below the video. And if you have any thoughts or comments or observations, please leave a comment below. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. It's a pleasure of mine to be exclusively making these how-to videos for the cryptocurrency market and for the team and to all the audience watching. And I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.